Hello children, welcome to the SST class. Today we will read about lesson 17. So dear children, kindly open your book, page number 102. Chapter 17, our national symbols. So what are the national symbols? National symbols are exclusive and represent the rich culture of the nation. Every independent country has its own symbols. National symbols are important signs or features that represent a country. Some of the national symbols of India are the national flag, the national anthem, and the national emblem. First, national flag. We must have seen the national flag being hoisted on Independence Day and Republic Day. Our national flag is rectangular in shape with 3 equal divisions. The first division at the top is saffron, means orange. It stands for courage and sacrifice. The second division in the middle is white. It stands for peace and truth. The third division at the bottom is green. It stands for growth. In the center of the flag, on the white division is a navy blue wheel or the Ashok Chakra. The wheel has 24 spokes. It is a symbol of progress, growth, and truth. It has been taken from the Ashoka pillar, a very old pillar that has built by King Ashoka. We also call our national flag a Tiranga or tricolor because it has 3 colors. Then national anthem. Every country has a national anthem which is sung on important events. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. It was composed by the great poet Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Our national anthem represents India being a beautiful land where people from different religions live together in peace. As a mark of respect, we must stand in attention whenever the national anthem is played or sung. Then national emblem. The great Mayuran King Ashoka built the Sarnath temple and the stone pillar with 4 lions facing the 4 directions on top of it. This is our national emblem. The base of the emblem has a horse, wheel, and a bull. It is the official seal of the Government of India. It can be seen on our currency, notes, and coins. The words Satyameva Jayate are written at the bottom of the wheel, which means truth alone trumps. Then other national symbols. First one is national flower. Children, you know, lotus is the national flower of India. This pretty flower grows in muddy water. It has broad leaves with pink and white color. It stands for purity and beauty. It is also the flower of Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Then national bird. Peacock is our national bird. It has a long neck and a colorful plumage. It can spread its wings like a fan. This beautiful bird is the symbol of beauty grace and joy. The national animal. Our national animal is tiger. The Royal Bengal tiger is known for its bravery and strength. It has a thick yellow coat of fur and stripes on its skin. The national song is, children, you know what? Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Then other national symbols are hockey. The national game of our India is hockey. The national fruit is mango. National tree is banyan tree. The national river is Ganga. Okay, this is about your chapter 17, our national symbols. Again you read this chapter at your home and learn the national symbols. Thank you.